How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. In this video, I am unboxing, well, I don't know what to call this. It doesn't have a proper name, but at the moment in the shops and everywhere, it's called a Sup Gameboy, S-U-P. So I'm guessing that's Sup Gameboy, and it's like a Game Boy shaped console that's got 400 classic games in it. At the moment, I don't know how the hell I got this because it seems like the postage is absolutely wrecked. That's what it comes in at the moment. This has come from Hong Kong, I think. Nothing else in the bag, and it seems like it's already open for some odd reason. That's the box, and if you can read what you can pause the video and read what it says there, over there. Like again, I ain't gonna read all that. You can pause it. I will read, and yeah, one piece of this and one piece of that. I got the white color. Nothing else here, so let's open it. Well, it's already flipping open. I don't know what's happened there, so let's get it open. Packaging seems a bit weird. It's got a USB cable with what is looking like a type C. That is pretty cool. I wonder if you can put even more. What is even more cool is, wait, that headphone jack to two of the cables, which I have a feeling you might be able to connect this to your TV, but I don't know how you're gonna get a picture from the headphone jack. And what else you have in here is a mobile phone battery. If I remember correctly, these batteries are normally in the Nokia phones. So I don't know how long that's going to last. What we have here is the instruction manual. Nothing good to see here apart from how to connect it to your TV and stuff, and that's all. So the Game Boy itself is pretty much upside down. It's like that. And then it comes in loads of different colors: red, black, blue, yellow. I bought mine in white because I think the white version, it's gonna literally show off the in-game graphics better. So I'm just getting out of the packaging, nice and smooth. It's even got a screen protector on it. Wow! I got this for £12 from a website application on the Android phone called Joom. It's my first purchase from there. So it's got arrow keys. It's got an R button. I don't know what the R button is for. Y, X, A, B. It's got start and select. And on the top here, you've got like a slider which is on and off. You got that's where the micro USB is gonna go, and you got a headphone jack. And that's that. And oh, here we got a rocker, volume rocker. It's pretty cool. You can hold it, and yeah, the buttons seem a bit fidgety. But I'm gonna see if I can turn this on and show you what games there are in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this the camera right and show you what games there are. Right then, tubers, here it is, up and close and personal. Really, I've set the tripod up for the flipping first time. Well, I set it up once before and it pretty much fell over. So let's go. I'm just giving you a little bit of a close look. There's all the ports and stuff. And at the back, it's just like that. The battery, I've slotted it in there just to quickly show you. There you go. All you do is just put it in and close the case. Now, let's see what this thing has got to offer. So turn it on. Epic. Because it's pretty loud. So yes, we are going for English, and I'm guessing a start. So far 401. Wow. So let's try Super Mario 3. I am familiar with that. And okay, so far it's got no sound. I don't know why it's got no sound on this point. Okay, oh, there you go. There's the sound. Oh, I remember that map. Let me just quickly try and focus this. Oh, it's gonna worse. Come on, focus, dude. There you go. It's a bit better like that. So let's go, Mario. Level 1. Let's see if my Mario skills are still up. The control so far, I have to press it hard. Wow. And it's got 2 jumps. I can't remember that. I think it was just 1 button to jump. Mushroom, I know you're in there. Cool. Get yourself up there, Mario. You gotta control that a bit hard. Maybe it's the game, I don't know. But pretty loud and clear, I'm liking that. Yeah, let's see if I can do this. Which button was it to pick the shell up? I think it's that button. Go forward. Yep. No, it's too late. Mushroom, you're mine. Obviously, most of the new generation kids do not know these games, seriously. Well, that's why my channel motto is gaming since the beginning. But anyways, let's see what else it's got. Englishman, do not know Chinese. Right, we got Mario World, Mario 14, what the hell is that? There you go, I need to put it in a certain angle. Snow Bros, Rush Attack. Ninja Gaiden, oh my god, no way. Dude, look how fast it loads up, I'm loving it. Act 1, okay, let's go. Dude, this is so cool. How do you attack? How do you attack? You attack like that. Wow. Epic. These were one of the games I used to die for back in the day. And they used to cost a lot as well, seriously. Okay, get up, man. There you go. Yeah, the controls are alright, you know. Look, I am playing, you know. Ouch. I'm playing in an awkward way because thanks to the thingy, the tripod, and I'm still playing alright. I'm managing not to die. But yeah, that's Ninja Gaiden. English. Pinball. It's based off Nintendo, this, so I wonder if it's got any Sega games. I'm gonna be over the moon if this has got Sonic. So let me just have a quick look if it's got Sonic. Spider-Man, oh dude, I used to love old school Spider-Man games. No way, it's got Mortal Kombat. It's bloody got Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat 4. Choose this guy. I forgot their names. Totally forgot the names. Come on. Let's win this. Let's win this fight. Ouch! I'm getting destroyed here. Oh, difficulty, man, difficulty. But why is my character stuck there? There you go. Dude, the difficulty of this game is just out of control here. I think I'm gonna lose this. Wow! Why isn't his health going down? You know what? Get lost. English again. Still haven't learned Chinese. Donkey Kong, absolutely amazing. Chubby something, destroy. Track field, Chinese chess. Definitely cannot read Chinese. I probably can't play Chinese chess. Final Blood, Ghost Castle, Golden Bird, whatever. I'm flipping like literally missing so many while going through these. Let's go like that. Come on, Sonic, where are you, man? If you have Sonic, I'm sold. Well, let's go Spider-Man. That's one of my all-time favorites as well. Adventure Island, oh my god. It's got Mario there again. Spring World. It's got a USB charging point, so definitely you can put your own games into this. I'm going really fast here so you can see all the games. Oh, wait. Is this, we're in the S section? Or is it... I don't know how this is layered. Anyway, guys, my flipping recording limit's going to be over soon. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And, yeah, keep watching AMR. All the description of all the information of this item is going to be on the, basically, description. So, yeah. Did I just scroll through all the 400 games just like that? So, thank you for watching, guys. As soon as it reaches 1, I'm going to turn the video off. Peace out.